Hey guys, welcome to week 2 of distance learning, and this is your story problem that is labeled Monday, so it's your day 1. Your day 1 story problem says, Alexander says the equations below are equal. Is he correct? Well, I know that if something is equal, that means that the value on one side of the equation and the other side of the equal symbol are the same. That's what equal means. And so the only way for me to figure this out today is that I solve both sides of the equation. So I've already recorded down on my little whiteboard at home the equation so that I can prove my work. So I'm going to prove this side of the equation first. And it says 8 times 10. Well, I'm going to be thinking I have 8 groups of 10. So I'm going to just hold up 8 fingers. Then I know how to skip count by 10, so I'm going to use that as my strategy. Skip counting is a strategy we can use for multiplication facts. So here I go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. All right, 8 times 10 equals 80. So now I have to go to the other side of the equation and prove these two equations. One equation. I have 4 times 2, close parentheses, plus, open parentheses, 5 times 2, close parentheses. So I know orders of operation. I have to solve what's inside of the parentheses first before I can add the two products together. And don't forget, product is the answer to a multiplication sentence. So I have 4 times 2. So I can skip count by 2 4 times. I can write repeated addition of 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. You could also draw equal groups, do 4 groups, put 2 in each, and then count them up, whichever strategy is best for you. So I'm going to do repeated addition, and I'm actually going to do 4 2 times. And I know 4 plus 4 equals 8. So now I'm going to do the other equation that's in its parentheses, and I'm going to do 5 times 2. 5 times 2 equals 10. That one's a known fact for me. So I'm going to bring that down and say 10. Right now I have 80 equals 8 plus 10, because that's what I got from solving each of the parentheses sets. And so now I have to follow order of operation rules and add it together. So now I had that 4 times 2 is 8, and 5 times 2 is 10. And I have 8 plus 10 is equal to 80. That just doesn't seem right. I think that 8 plus 10 is 18. And 18 and 80 are not equal. So whenever you draw a slash line through the equal symbol, that means that it's not equal. So I proved that this side of the equation is not the same as this side of the equation. And so Alexander saying that this equation is equal is incorrect. And this is my facts. So then what I would want you to do is then I'd want you to explain. Alexander is incorrect because 8 times 10 equals 80, but 4 times 2 equals 8, 5 times 2 equals 10, and when I add those products together, 8 plus 10 equals 18, and 18 is not equal to 80. All right, guys, I hope you did well on that one. I'll see you tomorrow when we talk about Tuesday or day 2's story problem. Have a great day.